Every morning at Mira's house feels like a tiny storm. The clock hits 7:30. The school bus honks outside, and her 7-year-old son Aarav hides under his blanket, refusing to get up. Mira sighs. Aarav, please, not again. We are already late. But he doesn't move. His little hands pull the blanket tighter. Tears roll down his cheeks. And that's how every school day begins, with pleading, crying, and guilt. Does this sound familiar? Your child suddenly hates school, complains of a stomachache every morning, clings to you at the door and says, I don't want to go. You start wondering, is my child being stubborn, lazy, or is something else going on? A few nights later, Mira sits beside Aarav. She doesn't ask, why don't you go to school? She simply says, softly, I miss seeing you happy after school. What happened, sweetheart? There is a long silence. Then Aarav whispers, Rohan says, I'm dumb in class. He pauses. And the teacher said, I talk too much. Everyone laughed. In that moment, Mira realizes her son was not being difficult, he was being hurt. When a child refuses to go to school, it's really about disobedience. It's a message, a quiet cry for help. And as parents, we need to listen, not lecture. There can be many hidden reasons. Anxiety, fear of separation or being judged, peer issues, teasing, bullying, or feeling left out, academic pressure, feeling not smart enough, emotional changes, missing home or feeling unsafe. Children often don't have the words to explain their feelings, so they show them through actions, tears, tummy aches, or silence. Alright, so what can we do when our child refuses to go to school every day? Listen before you lecture. Find a quiet time, maybe at bedtime or while drawing together. Kids open up when they feel safe, not scolded. Observe patterns. Does this happen on certain days? After a particular class, subject, or teacher? That's your clue. Connect with the school. Talk to teachers calmly, not to blame, but to understand. Ask, what have you noticed about my child lately? Sometimes teachers see what we don't. Rebuild trust. Say, we will figure this out together. That one line can ease so much fear. Know their world. Ask about friends, lunch breaks, and what makes them happy or nervous. The more you know their surroundings, the better you can help them feel safe again. A few weeks later, Aarav still feels nervous some mornings, but he is calmer now. Because this time he knows his mom understands. She waves goodbye with a smile. See you soon, Jan. And for the first time in weeks, Aarav waves back. When a child refuses to go to school, don't just ask, how do I make them go? Ask, what are they trying to tell me? Every refusal hides a reason. Every reason needs a listener, and every listener can help a child heal. Because the goal is not just to send them to school, it's to make them want to go. If this story spoke to you, share it with another parent who might be struggling too. Let's build a world where every child feels safe, in their school and in our hearts. Does your child refuse to go to school every day? Let's listen, not lecture.